Floodwaters cripple Manila as 54,000 are evacuated. Stay tuned. On Saturday, August 11th, more than 54,000 people were moved to safer ground in the Philippine capital, Manila, and nearby provinces, while calls for help swamped social media as monsoon rains triggered floods reminiscent of Typhoon Quezon, which killed hundreds of people in Metro Manila in 2009. Marikina City implemented forced evacuations, affecting at least 21,000 people after its river, the catch basin of water flowing from the mountains, reached critical level. In nearby Rizal province, 19,000 people were moved. Families were on rooftops in Marikina waiting for rescue. More than 9,000 people were evacuated in Quezon City, Valenzuela, Manila, Malabon, and Pasig, all the capital region. Floodwaters in some areas was chest high, rendering roads impassable. Gates of several dams were open, train services were halted, and schools shut down. In Cavite province near Manila, a bridge used as a shortcut to the tourist destination of Tagaytay City collapsed. Here are 5 things you need to know about Philippine typhoons and storms. Number 1, warm waters. The Philippines is situated above the equator and also beside the western Pacific Ocean. The equatorial warm weather combined with water encourages tropical cyclones to form. Typhoons start to build up at 28 degrees and the western Pacific is normally at such a temperature that causes the recurrent tropical cyclones, typhoons, and torrential rain to flood the country. Number 2, illegal logging. Sometimes it's not the rain that kills people in the Philippines during the rage of typhoons, but the landslides. There's no other reason to blame for this but deforestation. Hills that lack trees have fewer roots to keep the land intact. The heavy rains only make the situations worse. Number 3, coastal homes. With the Philippines being surrounded by waters, about 60% of the population of the country are living in low-lying coastal villages. This makes them the most acceptable to storm surges that are common and deadly during typhoons. Number 4, the Ring of Fire. The geographic location of the Philippines lies on the Pacific Ocean's earthquake and volcano Ring of Fire, meaning the drifting crust underneath the Pacific Ocean leads to the frequent tsunamis and earthquakes. Number 5, poverty. Now, there could be significantly lower death tolls if only houses in the Philippines were constructed with materials that could withstand extreme winds and storm surges. But most people along the coastal area can't afford to build well-structured homes, which is very essential if you're living in a typhoon-prone country. Question for the day. What are some of the precautions you should take when living in a country that's prone to typhoons? Leave your comments for me in the comment section of this video. And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is Bobby D saying take care, God bless, and peace.